Everyone, it's Ted from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock a number on your Android phone. So you might have blocked this by accident. So we can go on down to the phone dial pad right here. Just click on this. And then once you're under here, there should be an option in the top right or left for three dots or three lines. And we can just go to settings. Then under settings, there should be an option for blocked numbers. Just go to here. And then you can just go to the number. There might be like a little arrow next to it or something like that, or a line. And you can just go there and you should be able to unblock them. So you can do this on your Samsung phone too. And then we can just go on over to the keypad here, go to settings. And you will have the same kind of options for blocked numbers. So just hit the little line next to their name and you can unblock them. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.